packaged well and it comes in 3 boxes along with cushion inside of the case to protect the GPU. It booted without a problem and there was no apparent bloatware. I probably will end up keeping the Microsoft OS it came with because I'm a little lazy, but you could easily nuke this one and start fresh. The motherboard was one update behind, so I updated it with the BIOS flash feature. The PC runs great and is very quiet. The only thing I would change on this whole PC is probably the case. It is okay for thermals out of the box, but I ended switching the fan orientation from 3 exhaust to 2 intake and 1 exhaust. That was a bad setup on their part, but it's easy to fix. The case itself isn't horrible for airflow, but it isn't great either. The thermal temps are okay, but I want this PC to last me for a while longer than this case will allow. I will ultimately end up switched to the Phantix P400A. I will also change the stock and cooler and add 2 more 8GB sticks of the XPG Gamix RAM. I'll further update this when I do. Overall good job by YEYIAN.